Alright, so baby will help with the water part. Okay, we stir it a little bit. Good job, Annabelle. I already gave them a simple instruction. Now the kids know how to do it themselves. Okay, not too much. Woo! Woo! So that's a volcano. That's how it's supposed to look. Okay. Does anybody know what is the youngest volcano in the world? This is Lisa, and today we're going to start another episode of BTV Kids. Annabelle, say hello. She's 4 years and 4 months old. Nicholas, say hello. Wave your hand, say hello to everybody. Okay, he's 2 years and 10 months old. Guess what? Hello. Good job, baby. All right, we're gonna start. Guess what we're doing today? Can anybody guess? Raise your hands if you can guess. All right, Annabelle, what are we doing today? All right, today we're going to make a volcano. First of all, I'm going to tell you guys how volcanoes are formed, okay? Volcanoes are formed when two plates are connected together. When it's underneath, the volcano is at the bottom, it's called magma, and there is sunken rocks that explode. When it reaches the surface, it's become lava, and that's when it erupts, okay? So there are 3 questions for you guys to plan on. I'm going to ask you guys later. Before we get started, all right, these are the 3 questions, okay? Question number 1, what is the oldest volcano in the world? Question number 2, do volcanoes create lightning? A third question, are volcanoes beneficial to humans? Okay, so let's get started. But before we start, let's put on our safety goggles, okay? Annabelle, put on your safety goggles. Baby, put these on. Okay, and I'm going to put on my safety goggles, okay? These are some of the supplies you need in order to make a volcano. First, 3 safety goggles, and then you need a measuring cup, half a cup of water. You need 1 spoon, and then a stirring spoon, and also a syringe, okay? And this is a volcano malt, and also these 2 ingredients, okay? Ingredients number 1, baking soda. Ingredient number 2, citric acid. And you can also add with white vinegar. White vinegar will also cause a volcano. So let's get started. First scoop, let's add, baby, you need to put on your safety goggles. First, we add a scoop. Okay, here you go. First, we add a scoop into the volcano. Okay. 1 scoop. Everyone pay attention. Okay. Another scoop for the citric acid. Whoa. Okay. A third scoop. Okay, now we're using a syringe. Baby, you want to help? Put your hand inside. Yeah. While baby is doing that, I'm going to stir the volcano. Make sure they're nicely mixed together.
Mommy.
All right, baby. We're going to see what happens, okay? Come check. Both of you pay attention. Woo! There's the volcano. That's how it erupts, okay? Does anyone know the answer to what is the oldest volcano in the world? Okay, it's called Etna, and it's located in Italy. It's actually 350,000 years old. This is the oldest volcano in the world. Okay, and also question number 2, is a volcano beneficial to humans? No, it's not. When it erupts, it actually becomes mudslides, and it's very dangerous to humans. It actually contaminates the water and creates a power outage, like power shortage, okay? So it's not safe to be next to a volcano, but volcano tour sites attracts a lot of tourists. A lot of people want to check out these cool volcanoes. And there's another fun fact I would like to share with you. There is about 300 volcanoes in the Philippines. The main one is called the Mayo. There's only 22 volcanoes that's actually currently active and erupts like every few hours. So you want to stay away from those islands. Okay, that it's located in the island called Luzon. I'll write some description down here. So in the Philippines, there's about 20-something volcanoes that actually erupts every once in a while. So everyone want to be careful and stay away from that. There's also 3 different types of volcano. There's 3 different kinds. One is the volcano is either active. Okay, so the volcano may be active, dormant, or extinct. So if the volcano is active, you want to stay away from it. If the volcano is extinct, it's basically non-existent, and when it's dormant, it means it's asleep. Okay? So these are some of the fun facts you want to know about volcanoes. So the last question, ooh baby, be careful you guys. All right, Annabelle, sit down. So if you want more eruptions coming out, more lava come out, you can add more water, but you have to add it like sparingly. Don't add too much. Baby, don't add too much. Okay, all right. Now, question number 3 I would like to answer you guys is that does volcanoes cause lightning? Yes. A third of the volcanoes that erupt, sometimes it will cause lightning. And also there's another interesting facts you want to know about volcanoes is animals. Okay, final question. Can animal detect when a volcano is going to erupt? Yes, they can. Based off of animals, especially dogs, have the ability to sense when the volcano is going to erupt, okay? They're very smart. They can sense when the earthquake's going to happen, when a storm's going to happen, when a hurricane or typhoon's going to happen. It's a very common thing. Most dogs can actually sense that. So yeah, that's something you want to keep in mind. And how do you know when a volcano is going to be erupted? Does anybody know the question to this? If you know, you can totally comment below. There are 4 things you can know is the frequency of the volcano, how frequently the volcano erupts, and how many earthquakes there is per year. Okay. How frequently when earthquake happen, you can also sense when the volcano is going to erupt. And also you can look at the ground. If the ground has red patches and the ground temperature is pretty hot, that's another way to determine. That's another way to know when the volcano is going to erupt. Usually the volcanoes don't erupt as often. It's just certain parts of the island, like a lot of places with a lot of islands like Philippines, Indonesia. Those are really, and Hawaii, those are places where volcanoes erupt a lot. If you guys want to do this experiment at home with your kids, you definitely have to supervise your kids because all these powders are pretty toxic. So baby, we're going to add 1 more scoop and you can do the water part. Half water. Okay? Okay, 1 more scoop. Mommy add this one, okay?
I want to add this one.
Okay, Annabelle, be careful.
This one.
Okay. Show people how to do it, okay? Okay, we need a little bit more than that. Let me help you with the rest, okay? Okay. All right, so baby will help with the water part. Okay, we stir it a little bit. Good job, Annabelle. Still familiar. Okay, so I already gave them a simple instruction. Now the kids know how to do it themselves, okay? Not too much. Woo! Ooh! So that's a volcano. How it's supposed to look, okay?
Wow.
All right, so there's another question you guys all want to ponder on is how long does volcanoes live? Okay, basically volcanoes live thousands of years. It ruptures and sometimes it never go extinct. Okay, but does anybody know what is the youngest volcano in the world? Can anybody guess what it is? Okay, let me answer your question. The youngest volcano in the world is in Mexico, okay? It's only 9 years old. So I'm going to add a description down here, okay? So sometimes when the volcano gets too big, when the lava gets too big, it turns into a mudslide or an avalanche. You want to avoid that, okay? Because that will actually cause human harm. There are volcanoes that are known to kill people. So you guys want to be aware. So this is a fun little science project you can do with your kids at home, but you definitely have to supervise them. So yeah, next week we'll be doing another fun science project. So Annabelle, Nicholas, let's say bye-bye to everybody.
Next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Okay.